Let's welcome our first speaker, Dr. Steve Judson. Come on, brother. Boom.
Yeah, chiropractic! Woo! Fired up chiropractic! Chiropractors! What is your profession? Oh, we'll get there, baby. Yeah, we'll find some passion eventually, man. That's what we're here for, right? Hey, let's give a big shout out first, man, for Dr. Billy DeMoss, his wife Mary Jane, man. Look at this thing they're putting on for you guys. I think he had to wake up at 2 in the morning just to put all that makeup on, huh? That's commitment, man. He's doing it for one reason. One reason, man, is to wake up the humans, baby, to wake up the chiropractors to this principle that we talk about in chiropractic. Chiropractic. There's no other profession like it, man. There's no other profession in the world that has the potential that chiropractors have. That was my Spanish accent. I'm so fired up I get ahead of myself sometimes. Now people ask me sometimes what that whole chiropractic, what is your profession thing. And you know what? I used to start it off with principal chiropractors, but I'm here to tell you now, I feel like that's bullshit. We shouldn't have to define ourselves. We're freaking chiropractors. You're chiropractors. And what is a chiropractor? What do we do as chiropractors? We set people free. Free, baby. Atlas. Say after me, Atlas. Oh, I need more passion. Louder. Oh, man, if this society could understand that one word. My question to people is always, how's your Atlas? So when we ask principal chiropractors, I realized we're segregating ourselves because we're chiropractors. Chiropractors do one thing, we detect correct subluxations, man, that's our power. And we give the power back to the body to do exactly what it needs to do. That's what chiropractors do. We can all agree on that, correct? That's right, baby. So when Leonidas, and he was going in to free his country, man, he had 300 of his fired up war principal men coming together that were ready to fight, okay? They knew one thing, man, that was how to fight. So when he met the other crew that was coming to help him, and he said, what is your profession? The guy's like, oh, I'm a sculptor. And he asked the other guy, and he goes, well, I'm a plumber. And he asked another guy, what do you do? And he's like, well, I'm a craftsman. And the guy was pissed at Leonidas. He's like, you only come with this many guys? And what did he do? He asked his men, what is your profession? And they knew one thing, man, and that's the who. They knew how to fight. And that's what we need. This is what we're all here for, man. There's all these speakers coming up this weekend that are sharing the principle of life, right? Whether it's society putting shit in people's bodies called vaccines and all these drugs and potions and lotions. It steals life from human potential. That's what it does. Come on, baby. We're getting close. Because when you show up Monday, whether you're a CA, a spouse, we got to be on the same page of that principle. Because that's our driving force, man. There's universal intelligence in all matter, we know that. But subluxation chokes that intelligence off. And when that happens up here at the brainstem, over 450 million nerve fibers connecting the human being to life, when that son of a bitch gets choked off by an atlas subluxation, life starts going away from the body. And it happens in the womb when the guy yanks on the neck and starts stabbing the kid with junk. Chemical, physical, emotional stress. And now we got all our militaries coming by, you know. And again, I don't equate to what we're doing as being warriors, man. One of my best friends, his best buddy was a Navy SEAL who just got killed overseas. And no one heard about it. No one. So at my office, I've been flying my flag half-mast in honor of him. And people are like, wait, what are you doing? I said, this guy's dying every day fighting for our rights to be free. Let me hear you scream, freedom. Freedom. That's weak. I need it louder. Freedom. 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 Yeah, that's what we're talking about.